Remember the days when flipping open your phone made you feel like a secret agent? Well, those days are long gone, and now we have phones that could probably run a small country. It's fascinating, isn't it? How technology has leapt forward in leaps and bounds, transforming the humble telephone into a device that's smarter than some people I know. No offense intended, of course. In the midst of this whirlwind of advancement, there's one device that stands tall like a titan among mortals. Yes, you've guessed it. It's the latest monster in the smartphone world, the iPhone 15 Pro. This beast of a phone is so packed with features, it's like having a mini supercomputer in your pocket. So buckle up as we dive into the world of the iPhone 15 Pro. It's so advanced, it might just make your toaster jealous. In a world where smartphones are as essential as oxygen, the iPhone 15 Pro is like the purest mountain air. It's not just a device, it's an entity that has been meticulously crafted to redefine excellence. So, let's dive into the pool of its key features, shall we? First off, the beating heart of this marvel, the A16 Bionic processor. It's like the brain of a genius mathematician and an Olympic sprinter rolled into one. It crunches numbers faster than you can say quantum physics and runs smoother than a buttered-up cheetah on ice skates. Expect your apps to open with a swiftness that would make a ninja jealous. Moving on to the camera, or should we say, the eye of truth. With its super-duper high resolution and advanced image stabilization, it doesn't miss a thing. It captures every detail so vividly you can practically relive the moments. Tripped over a flat surface? Don't worry, the iPhone 15 Pro camera has you covered. It's so good, it can capture the embarrassment on your face in ultra-high definition. Now that's a picture worth 1,000 laughs. Next up is the battery life. Imagine having a pet Energizer bunny that just keeps going and going. That's essentially what the iPhone 15 Pro's battery is like. It will stick with you through your endless scrolling, gaming, and late-night binge-watching sessions without breaking a sweat. Finally, let's talk about the display, the window to this digital world. With its promotion technology and XDR capabilities, it's like having a private IMAX theater in your pocket. Every image is so crisp, you'd think you could reach in and grab it. With all these features, the iPhone 15 Pro isn't just a phone, it's a lifestyle statement. It says, I can afford ridiculously expensive technology that will be outdated in 6 months. Well, if that's not a status symbol, I don't know what is. If you've been daydreaming through this video, here's a quick rundown to bring you back to reality. The iPhone 15 Pro isn't just another smartphone, it's a marvel of technology. It's got a battery life so long it puts most New Year's resolutions to shame. Seriously, you could probably binge watch the entire Lord of the Rings trilogy and still have juice left to call for a pizza. The camera is so high-tech, it might just steal your job if you're a professional photographer. It can capture every wrinkle on your granny's face, every strand of your cat's fur, and every crumb of your morning toast. And don't get me started on the display. It's so crisp and vibrant that you won't need to go to the cinema anymore. You've got a mini IMAX right in your pocket. So there you have it, the iPhone 15 Pro. It's like having a personal assistant, a professional photographer, and a mini cinema in your pocket. Just remember, no amount of technology can save you from autocorrect fails. And that, my tech-savvy friends, is the iPhone 15 Pro in a nutshell. In the span of our little chat, we've marveled at the dazzling new features of this piece of tech magic. We've explored its sleek design, the breathtaking camera quality that could put professional photographers out of business, and the processing power that would make a supercomputer blush. But let's not forget the battery life. Oh, the battery life. It promises to keep you connected longer than your office hours. It's almost as if the iPhone 15 Pro has taken a vow to be your shadow, your constant companion. Now, if only it could make a cup of tea as well, but alas, we can't have everything, can we? Until Apple can integrate a teapot into their design, I guess we'll have to make do. So, until Apple invents a phone that can do that, I'll see you in the next video. Stay tuned, and remember, the I in iPhone stands for, I can't believe I spent that much money.